This QR code can boot a computer, not a website or a file, but an actual operating system. So here's the challenge. QR codes can only store a limited amount of data, way less than what you'd normally need to boot anything. So I had to figure out what is the absolute smallest thing you need to convince a computer to start running your code, and then somehow fit that into this. At first, I tried doing it the normal way, bootloader, kernel, just basic environment, but it was way too big. So I started cutting things. No file system, no drivers, no safety. Every time I removed something, it broke. But eventually, I found the minimum, just enough code to make the CPU execute something, nothing more. This is the entire boot program. It is a tiny 16-bit BIOS boot sector. The important parts are here at the beginning, where it starts at the classic BIOS boot address, it sets up a minimal environment, it prints a message, and it ends with the standard boot signature. That signature is what tells the BIOS this sector is bootable. The build script assembles the boot sector, writes the raw binary, copies it into a tiny boot image, and checks that it is exactly 512 bytes with the correct boot signature at the end. That gives me the smallest practical bootable image for this stunt. This script takes the raw boot image, compresses it, tries a few text encodings, picks the shortest one, wraps it with metadata, and renders the result as a printable QR code. So, the QR is not storing magic, but a compact text form of the exact boot payload. That is why this works at all. And this is a reverse path. It reads the QR payload text, decodes it, decompresses it, writes the reconstructed image, and verifies that the bytes match the original build exactly. This is the real proof step, because if the files match byte for byte, then the QR really did carry the whole boot payload. So, this is the final proof step. The QR payload has been turned back into the exact same boot image, and when I hand that reconstructed image to QEMU, the machine boots straight into my tiny program. The message on screen is being printed by code that came from the QR payload. That is how a QR code can boot a computer. The QR does not directly replace the BIOS. It carries the exact data needed to reconstruct a tiny bootable image, and that reconstructed image boots in a VM. If you want to try it yourself, use the link in the description to download all the files necessary to generate your own QR code with a bootable image. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.